Again, mga kababayan, ma'am sir, good afternoon na. Mga kababayan, ma'am sir, this is Jam, the Filipino channel po ang inyo pong lingkod. So today is May 20, 2025 at tayo ngayon ay pupunta dyan sa may arrival or departure area. Drop nga lang natin dito yan sa Manila Terminal 1 at pupunta dyan ngayon tayo. Pupunta tayo ngayon dyan sa may arrival sa okay, so andito nga tayo ngayon sa Naiya Terminal 1. Dito yan sa Maya Parañaque, Santo Niño Parañaque, at dadalhin natin yan sa may SM Mall of Asia, uh, Barangay 76 Pasay po yan. Okay, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po pang nakuha na po natin sa disclaimer lamang po. Ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger, kaya nga naman saka sakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government or private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Right. Ayan. Ano to? Eh. Right. Ay nako. Andito na sila.
There are no seatbelts here?
No problem about.
Huh?
No problem, sir, ma'am.
No, but
Yeah, there's no problem about the seat belts there.
I like having seatbelts.
Okay, yeah, use it. No problem. No problem.
Oh, there's not.
Because here in the Philippines, the most important is here in front.
Yeah, but not safe.
Yeah, I know, yes, not safe. If you want to sit, wear a seat belt there,
It's okay.
yeah, it's better.
Yeah.
Not just okay, but it's better.
Keep right at the forefront of Ninoy Aquino Avenue. Continue for 700 meters, then turn left onto NAIA Road.
Mission Impossible.
No, I'm serious.
Oh, the Final Destination. So it's like a road. It's like when they're on like roller coasters. Very funny.
Continue for 600 meters, then turn left onto NAIA
But
Road.
is it like a 3D thing?
Have you heard of Final Destination? It's a Coca-Cola. It's like wrong turn, that type of vibe.
I don't know what that is.
In 200 meters,
Oh,
turn
it's
left
like,
at traffic
It's
light.
like one of those type of scary movies.
Is it like
Keep left and continue straight, then turn left onto
that where the
NAIA
whole
Road.
thing shuts down and then
I
like
think that might
In
be.
100 meters, turn left at the traffic light.
That I think is the best option. You should watch the trailer. It's like, you know, one of those typical scary movies. Sorry, one that makes some noise. Cut himself. Watch.
In 100 meters, keep left and forth onto NAIA Road.
oh god.
It's one of those.
800 meters, then take the Roxas Boulevard round on the right towards Roxas Boulevard, back out. Continue straight at this traffic light.
And then I was watching. I'm so at these movies, I always make sure I watch them, and then I just look at the structures.
There's nothing else.
They are
Continue
actually
straight
not.
at this traffic light.
Let me just remember. I didn't mean to do like that.
700 meters, then take the Roxas Boulevard round on the right towards Roxas Boulevard, back out.
Happy birthday.
Oh, lovely day. Happy birthday. And the belts. Atti's World Tour.
Hi Mama. Nee, jetzt sind wir eigentlich, wir sind eigentlich rausgegangen und jetzt gehen wir zu einer Mall.
How much was that?
In 100 meters, enter the Globe Rotunda and take the second exit.
Oh, halt fuck.
In 80 meters, enter the roundabout.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's what ChatGPT told me was on. But I could do it this movie, or I'm going to like a movie.
236.
Keep left and continue straight,
like they
then
don't
exit
have
the
it.
roundabout onto Jose Right Leono Boulevard.
You watched the movie, I went into that. Only so.
Ja, shit.
But every time I read
In
the book,
60
I envision
meters,
him.
exit the roundabout
I
onto
know,
Jose
it's so
Right
annoying.
Leono
I don't mind because he's
Boulevard.
so different, but I don't see it as her, which is good.
Oh,
I'm just
yeah.
kind of like, the more I read it, I'm like, how would you choose her? But
She was, I know.
She's too like dainty and soft.
Yeah. Okay. Mission Impossible. Is that it? The only thing that's on?
No, that's what I think is showing in IMAX. Otherwise, it's the Final Destination, and there's some other like live show concept, and maybe there's
Continue
more
for 400 meters, then turn left onto Bayshore Avenue. Continue straight at the first traffic light, then at the second traffic light, turn left. In 200 meters, turn left at the traffic light. Enter left most lane, then in 100 meters, turn left at the traffic light. In 40 meters, turn left at the traffic light.
Oh no. We're getting dropped right where that wildflower restaurant is.
Maybe it's this one. Oh, so that couple on the sequence
The weird
said they met recently.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Very recently.
I know. And he was like, I'm trying to convince her to come.
Continue for 400 meters, then turn right. Continue straight at this traffic light.
It's very obvious that she's not wanting to be with me.
Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, in 200 meters, turn right.
Drop na natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat. God bless po. Paalam po muna pansamantala. Tayo ay gagawa na ng separate video sa ating susunod na mission. So paalam po muna pansamantala po. Unfortunately walang cash yung ano. Akala nila na nalagay nila sa card. Kaso ano pala, pang cash yung nakuha nila. Okay, so ayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. This is John Parenta, Philippine channel po ang iyong panonood. Paalam po. Ayan, gagawa na po natin ng separate video itong ating susunod na mission. Paalam po.